Have you been trying to lose weight but don't want to spend money on supplements or follow extreme diets that feel unsustainable? I totally understand because I was in the same boat not long ago. In this video, I'm going to share my personal journey of losing 10 kilos in just 3 months without relying on any shortcuts, expensive products, or crash diets. I'll take you through everything I did, including the mindset shifts that were crucial for my success, the diet plan I followed, the workout routine that worked for me, and the lifestyle changes that made a real difference. Let's dive in. Part 1. Mindset shift. Before I even thought about what to eat or how to work out, I knew I needed to change my mindset. The first thing I realized was that chasing quick fixes would only lead to disappointment. I had tried that before, and it never lasted. This time, I decided to focus on building habits I could actually stick to for the long term. Instead of thinking about extreme diets or magical weight loss pills, I reminded myself that I wasn't going to starve myself or skip meals. The goal was simple. Progress, even if it was slow, was better than giving up altogether. Once I made this shift in thinking, it made everything else feel more manageable and realistic. I wasn't in a rush to lose 10 kilos in a week. I was focused on creating sustainable changes. This mindset was the key to making the entire process feel natural. Part 2. Diet plan. Diet played a huge role in my weight loss journey. I knew that food was going to make or break my progress, so I really focused on making smarter choices. Every morning, I started my day with warm lemon water. It wasn't a miracle drink, but it helped wake up my digestive system and set a healthy tone for the day. For breakfast, I went for something filling and nutritious: oats with chia seeds, almonds, and a splash of almond milk. It kept me full and gave me energy for the morning. Lunch was where I really tried to keep things balanced. I made sure to include a good portion of carbs, like brown rice or whole wheat roti, some plant-based protein like lentils or paneer, and a generous serving of vegetables, spinach, broccoli, or any greens I could get my hands on. When it came to snacks, I swapped out chips, biscuits, and junk food for healthier alternatives like roasted macana, a handful of nuts, or fresh fruits. If I craved something sweet, I would satisfy that with fruit like apples or berries instead of sugary snacks. For dinner, I kept it light, usually a bowl of soup or a big salad with some form of protein like grilled tofu or beans. I avoided heavy carbs in the evening because they tend to disrupt digestion at night. And of course, I made sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and help my metabolism. Part 3. Workout routine. Alongside my diet, I knew I had to stay consistent with exercise, but I wasn't about to commit to a hardcore gym routine or anything that felt overwhelming. I kept it simple and focused on what worked for me. 3 days a week, I did basic strength training at home. No equipment required, just bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks. These were great for toning muscles and boosting metabolism. On the other days, I focused on cardio. Sometimes I'd take a brisk 30-minute walk, and other times I'd do a high-intensity interval training, HIIT workout, to really get my heart rate up. HIIT was tough but effective for burning fat quickly. Even on my rest days, I didn't just sit around. I made sure to stay active with light activities like yoga or a 20-minute stretching routine. I also tried to increase my daily movement by doing things like walking while talking on the phone, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or parking farther away from stores. All of these small changes added up over time. Part 4. Lifestyle changes. Weight loss isn't just about food and exercise. Your lifestyle has a massive impact on your results too. I started paying more attention to my sleep and made sure I was getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality rest every night. When I slept well, my body recovered better, and I had more energy to stick to my workouts. I also worked on managing stress. Life gets hectic, and stress can easily derail your weight loss goals. I found that practicing mindfulness and doing deep breathing exercises helped me stay calm and focused. Whenever I felt overwhelmed, I would take a few minutes to breathe deeply and reset my mind. Another big shift was planning my meals in advance. I used to find myself reaching for unhealthy foods when I was hungry and didn't have anything prepped. But by taking 30 minutes on Sundays to prepare healthy meals for the week, I made sure I always had something nutritious on hand. I also started tracking my progress weekly, not daily. Weighing myself every day wasn't helpful. It just created unnecessary pressure. I focused on how my clothes fit and how I felt instead of obsessing over the scale. Part 5. Results and reflections. By the end of 3 months, I had lost 10 kilos. But honestly, the weight loss was just one part of the journey. I felt stronger, healthier, and more confident. I realized that the most important lesson wasn't about getting the number on the scale to drop. It was about consistency, patience, and building habits that would last for life. And here's the most important thing I learned. It's okay to have bad days. We all slip up sometimes, but that doesn't mean you give up. What matters is that you get back on track and keep going. You don't need crazy diets or expensive supplements. You just need whole foods, consistent effort, and a mindset that focuses on long-term results. If I could do it, I'm sure you can too. The key is to start small, be patient, and trust the process. Let me know in the comments if you're struggling with anything, and I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on fitness, health, and sustainable weight loss. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.